shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, live from Las Vegas. And we just got some unemployment reports, excuse me, coming in, so things are moving. I sent out my whispers early this morning so you guys can take advantage of these levels. So let's start with the SPY. SPY just went through the 290 level. Hit our first target, 290.75, which is a retracement to the 4 EMA. Now we are up. We hit the second target, 291.25. And oops, this one is a mistake. Hold on a second. 292. All right, should be there. And then 292.31. So you can see we pretty much hit that 4 right on the head. If we do break above the 4, the next trade is really going to be to the 8 exponential moving average, which is right around 293 area and so forth. We'll just take it level to level today. If we do go below 288.75, that is when I will turn bearish. That is right below the 161 moving average as well. So I do use quite a few things when I am mapping out these whispers. I use major levels computers are trading off of. I use pivots. I use moving averages. I use where the institutions are loaded to buy and sell on the ECN books. And of course, the most important thing is I use the dark pool print. So it's a combination that I put together and really try to give you the lowest risk, high reward trades that you can put on. So let's go to the ES. The E-minis were going to be bullish above 29.20. We went right up to it and pull back. That's going to be a key level. Bearish below 28.90. Let's go to the Russell. Bullish above 147.50. And we just went above that. And that is a retracement trade to the 4 EMA. And bearish below 146.80. Let's go to the QQQs. On the QQQs, we are going to be bullish above 186.25. We just went above that. Retracement to the 8 EMA, which we are headed there. And bearish below 185.50. If we do turn around there. Go to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 76.55. We went above that. And bearish below 76.25. Again, we're all doing retracement trades right now. Once we break above these, the 8 EMA, that's when I like to swing long. Let's go to the, but I don't mind day trading to the 8 EMA for retracement. The Dow futures bullish above 26.150, and of course we shot all the way up to the to this retracement 26.250. Yep, and we're pulling back now. So watch that second test of those levels. Right, remember that. That's always a good time to enter. Let's go to the oil futures. We're going to be bullish above 53, and we just shot up there as well. And it looks like we're headed to R1. On persons pivots right here. Let me just actually make this bigger for you. See that? We went above, and 53.15 is R1 resistance. We're making our way there right now. If we do break above that, I have other targets. 53.37, 53.50. Bearish below 52.50. All right, let's go to gold futures. Gold was a great trade yesterday. Where are we today? Let's see. We're going to be bullish above 15.18 for gold and bearish below 15.12. We are in between two major dark pool levels for gold, by the way. We have levels above us and levels below us. So, we may do one of these dreaded H kind of patterns. If we go below the levels below us, and those are on IAU, GDX, you guys know those dark pool levels. If not, you can search in the alert tab in the JavaPit trading room if you have the dark pool app. you can search in the search bar and get all the previous alerts that I've given. If we do go below, then we're going to turn uber bearish. But if we can go above the upper band, that will be bullish. So this is really crucial. Yep, we'll know soon. All right, maybe not today, but definitely next week. We'll be bearish below the gold futures 15.12. Let's go to Apple. Super strong this morning. We broke above the 225 level. And we hit our first target already. Bearish though, below 222.75. Oil, we've had lots of prints coming in on energy and gas and oil. So I like to trade USO. Watch this 1106. Yep, that is my key level. That is a pivot. Well, hold on a minute. Is it R1? It's an R1 level. Yep, that's why we stopped right there. Here, look at this chart. Let me show you. There's a reason I pick my levels. Yeah, R1, this dot, I'll make it bigger. This dotted red line right here, amazing. Computers are programmed to sell the first time it hits there. If it can break above, that's going to be bullish. And it's 11 and a 16th. The market does trade on fractions, so that's why I really did love that level. All right, let me just go back to the E-minis. All right, and let's finish going through the stocks. All right, we got Snap. And anyway, I'm bearish below 1080 on USO. Let's go to Snap. Snap, we're going to be bullish above 15, major level, bearish below 1450. STM, we're going to be bullish above 1950 and bearish below 1925. You can see that, yeah, it has resistance right here. The simple 20, that's why we are bullish above that. And it's a major level. Let's go to ACB. Aurora, is it roaring back? It's trying to. A lot of volume coming in. Bullish above 460 today. There's a trade up to about 482, 484 level. There is a seller there. See this guy? He's still there. But 482 was a resistance level. That's why I picked that for person's pivots. But if we could break above that, then of course, 5, you can see there's a small seller there, but really big seller at 484. Bearish below 437. There's a buyer at 429. That's how I got that level. So again, I use pivots. I use my ECN books. I use major levels and dark pool when we have it. GLD. Going to be bullish above 143 today and bearish below 141. Get ready to attack this. I know my traders are just sitting on the edge of their seats. Yeah, are we going to stay above the lower print or not? Yeah, if we close below that, we are definitely going to go short. So we'll pay attention to that today. TLT. This is a great trade yesterday. Today, bullish above 145.50. It hit my first target already, 145.75. Why did it stop there? Right? Look at that. Right on the head. Well, R1. Let me show you that. So cool. I'm not really psychic. I just have really good tools. So, you know, that 145 right there. Okay, that is R1. This solid line is my Camarilla Pivot Boss pivots. Okay, these are person's pivots that are dotted, and it stopped right on it. And of course, it's a major level. So, really key. If it can break above 145.75, then there's another entry. But the last eighth is the most expensive in the entire world. Right, so 145.875. Yeah, we usually go right there, pull back to around 60 cents, and then go up to 146. So it's not my favorite trade. I wait for the second test. Let's go to XOP. XOP, we're going to be bullish. Now, this did not have pre-market volume. The reason this is on my whisper is we had tremendous prints yesterday. Now, what they like to do with XOP is sometimes we get big prints for a couple of days. Yep, so just keep an eye on this. Once it does move, it really moves, but you have to be patient, okay? But today I will love it as a swing trade if it can go above 2160. Bearish below 21 for a swing trade on the short side. So watch XOP. It just doesn't have a lot of pre-market volume. Costco had earnings. And I know it went up, went down. Well, actually really went down and then came back. I was really hoping to buy this at a discount. Yeah, this is a great longer term swing play. If you can buy it at a discount, really didn't want to get knocked down. But there's two trade setups here for a swing trade. Just looking at my daily chart. Actually, I've drawn some trend lines here going all the way back. Okay, so I'm going to be bullish above 290 for a swing trade up to 295. And then, of course, if we could break above that, there's a 300. However, I'm going to be bearish below 280 all the way down to this trend line. Those are my swing setups for Costco. So there you have it. Those are the trades. It's going to be an exciting day today. If I see anything great, we'll definitely push. I'll send out a push notification to everybody. So have a great weekend. Until next time, happy trading.
That's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.